As a follow-up to the video I did before where I changed the front turn signals to LEDs on the Kawasaki Ninja 400, here is the rear signals that I've got. I actually have some more coming that will use higher intensity LEDs than these, but it may not fit because it's going to be longer, whereas these are pretty much exactly the same size as the original bulbs. And the other ones, the LEDs are at 90-degree angles, whereas you see these are circular, so I think these will fill the reflector better. So you may have a very bright swath of light, which may be better than a pinpoint of extremely bright light with the other ones. When those other ones arrive, if they do fit, they're only $4, so I'd give them a try. If they do fit, I will do a follow-up video on that. But for now, let's compare the incandescent with the LED. I have turned off the automatic exposure on the camera, so the camera should not compensate for light at all. So here's the default signal. Let's look at the reflection off the garage door here. And here's the LED. So quite a bit brighter there. And now let's go outside. So that's what the default looks like. Now I'll switch to the LED. And yeah, fair bit brighter, looks like. And it does fill the glass pretty well. And go back to the incandescent one more time. Yeah, the incandescent is very weak. So, another good improvement.